Hello, welcome to the new and revamped Haptics Knowledge Base. It has a fresh look which comes with splendid advanced features. The homepage is divided into four sections: search, popular articles, categories, and few videos about the haptic platform. Our new knowledge base provides a seamless search option. You can simply start searching for the information using the search box and it will return all articles based on your search query. For example, if I want to search about entities, I can start searching by entering the keyword as entity or a complete sentence such as what is an entity. On opening every article, related articles will be present at the bottom that can help you continue reading other articles. It will provide you a thorough insight on the topic. If the article you are looking for does not exist, you can raise a request to us. For example, if I search for something that is not available on our knowledge base, such as mathematics, I can submit a request by filling in the details here. On the homepage, below the universal search bar, you will have the popular articles section. This has the 9 most viewed and most searched articles. It keeps changing dynamically based on the recent activities of the users. In the knowledge base, we have created categories that will make it easier for you to get started with the correct resources. For example, if you are looking for resources about how to design the bot conversation, you can start reading the articles from the conversation design category. After selecting the category, you can see all the articles within that category, which will provide you with all the information to know about designing the bots on Haptic platform. For some categories, we have created subcategories to organize the articles at a granular level. For example, the Essentials category under IVA Building Guides has several subcategories, which aligns with the bot building process on the Conversation Studio tool of the Haptic platform. The Getting Started category has articles that will introduce you to the platform and the tools within the Haptic suite. The IVA Building Guides category has all the articles that will guide you through the bot building process. The Conversation Design category contains articles that will provide you all the details about designing a user journey. The Developer Guides category will provide you with all the information related to integrating APIs and other external tools like Salesforce ticketing system, Setu, and with the Haptic bot. The Deployment category has all the articles which will help you deploy the bot on various channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Microsoft Teams, and so on. The Agent Setup category has all the articles related to handling human escalations depending on your preferred tool like Zendesk, Salesforce, or our in-house agent chat tool. The Analytics and Reporting category has all the articles related to reporting and analyzing data around bots using Haptic's Intelligent Analytics tool. Lastly, in the Tips and Tricks category, you can find quick guides and frequently asked questions. Within the articles, you can click to zoom into the images, and also when you find a term that is specific to the Haptic platform and you want to look up the meaning of the terms, you can hover over the term to find out its meaning. Whilst reading the articles, if you come across any inaccurate or too complicated information, you can let us know by providing direct feedback to us. You can either mention the segment to provide the feedback by selecting the text and clicking on the plus button, or you can provide a feedback for the entire article, which can be found at the bottom of the page. Once we have updated the article, you will get notified about the changes on your mentioned email if you have checked the notify checkbox button. After going through the articles, if you have still not accomplished or comprehended the information, you can instantly reach out to our support system. Our support team will reach out to you with the adequate resolution.